Hiniker Straightblade, 8 foot. A little bit of a ripple in it, but that was in it before I got it. And there's a corresponding couple of marks on the front, which the snow flap still works. The front edge is in good shape. Surface rust, definitely nothing going through. Just a painting. Put another coat of paint on it. Normally, actually, it looks like there might be a small hairline crack there. Normally it's actually separated, but that looks like just the beginnings of it. Hard to see right about there, just above the cutter or scraper. Edge is in okay shape, but I've got the spare brand new one goes with it. I don't see any crack on this side. Kind of a common thing, but nothing here. Once again, just a matter of scraping, but it's solid. This paint wore off. A little bit of scale. Still solid. Top seam, support seam, and that brace or the weld there. Surface rust, but that's it. Looks like it might have been repainted a couple of times, but a little bit of scraping. It's all still solid. Little bits of surface rust here and there. There's some kind of a back blading support bar bolted on there in the back side of the cutting edge, maybe to help with the back blading a little bit. Goes all the way across, about that far from the edge. Some weird bolt that'd probably have to be cut off. Springs in good shape. Actually, that was a new quadrant that was put on this mold board. A couple years back, so it's been on here a couple years. Came with the cylinders, so those have been a couple years old as well. It's probably I picked it up from somebody that was just sitting in their parts warehouse. More scale. A little bit of that bump. Just same thing, some scraping and repainting. Pins are good on both plows. I didn't take a picture of the other one. I'll walk over there and do that. This is off the this is off the Straightblade. Pump support. This eye stock has got a little bit of scale on it. Wants to get a little bit of scraping and repainting maybe. Lynch pins. Kickstand. The little tang that holds it up. This reservoir was taken off and I put a transmission drain plug on it. Now this is off the C plow. Pins are in good shape. Power connector.